Two. All right, welcome back. Sorry for that little short break. You can see, in order for you to import your design on quickcivilseries, quickcivilseries only recognizes lines and cycles. Okay, so it's not like the Prota structure or any other software. When you import a DXF format, it comes in its complete wall. In this case, it's just your grid lines, okay, and then your cycles. It reinterprets your lines as your beams, okay, and it actually interprets your cycles as your columns. Okay, so it does not really matter how large the cycle is. You don't need to actually disturb yourself much about how large the cycle can be. Okay, uh, just place your cycles in those positions. You can see other samples of general arrangement which I have done. All these I have used in quick civil series. Okay, I'm just going to pick one of these and then I'll import it and I will demonstrate to you right away how to use our quick civil series. So I'm going to use copy with base points. I'll copy. Sorry, this is AutoCAD 2007. It's actually very old, right? But it does not really matter. I don't know. I don't have issues with a version of AutoCAD. So I have copied with base points. So I'm going to paste it here, and then I will give it a name. Sorry, it's actually still loading. I hate it when it takes so much time like this. Okay, let's go back to this. Let me just quickly show you. This is quick civil series. I'll click on this file and I'll click on new projects. So what do I name this? I'm going to leave everything here as it is. You can see impulse load finishes 1.2, impulse load 1.5, partition allowance 1, soil bearing pressure. You can change this. Let's say I'm using 150. Slab and beam characteristic strength of concrete. I can leave it at 25. For my slab and beam characteristic strength of steel 410, you can leave all of this. Automatically it gives you all of this, so that you are at liberty to change any of these values. But all of the values that are here are very much okay for reinforced concrete design when you are dealing with buildings. Okay, density of concrete 24 is very okay. Unit weight of wall 2.87, it's very okay. Here, let's say I make this 230. I always like to use 230. I don't know, please don't crucify me for this. I just like to use 230. Okay, let's set cover to reinforcement. You can see slab concrete, I'm using 20, beam 25, column 25. For my part foundation, let's say 30. I feel 50 is that much. Okay, I'm going to apply. Okay, fine. Now let's go back to our drawing that we want to import. Okay, so I'm pasting that. I copied it from there and I'm pasting it here. So I paste it here. So I will type Z, that's zoom all, type A, that's zoom. Z is for zoom, A is for all. So, okay, so this here, I'm going to save this file as let's say tutorial, and then I'll save. Sorry, I made a very big mistake. I'm supposed to save it as DXF. Okay, so I'll switch this to DXF. So it's a DXF file. Okay, now I can close this. Yes, save in AutoCAD format. Yes, let me just save it. Yes, I already have one that is existing before, so Here I'll come to file. I'll come to import AutoCAD DXF floor layout. I'll click on yes, and then I'll look for that file. I named it tutorial. I'll click on tutorial, and I click on open, and I click on yes, and I click on apply. Now you can see our drawing has been imported successfully. Amazing, right? This software is actually very great. It makes your work much more easier and faster. Now you can see automatically by just importing this, it has given me the names of each of this beam. This is beam 1, beam 2, beam 3, beam 4. Now it's actually gives you continue. Sorry, I'm using my phone as a mic, so I'm connecting it wirelessly through uh, wireless, and then it has been disconnecting since. Sorry about that. Okay, let's come back here. You can see telling us 450 by 230 size of beam. Okay, so this I'm going to make it a very quick one. Here I'm just going to insert my panel, rectangular panel, yes, and I'll click here and I'll drag here, I drop. You can see it's giving me the names of those panel quickly. It's actually very fast. This software is it's just very fast. I really love this software. Okay, I don't know, I just love this software. The software is great. Drag here and I drop. Okay, sorry, that didn't work. Take this again here, I drop. Okay, so I've inserted all my panels on this. The next thing here I will do, let me come to edit current floor default setting. Sorry, is that what I'm supposed to do? No, this is not what I want to do. Edit floor properties / level. Good. I'll make this 2, and then I'll copy and create multiple floor. I'll click on yes, and I click yes here. So it's actually loading in the background. If you already love what you're seeing, please like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel. Okay. Click on the bell icon so as to get a notification whenever I post videos. I post videos like this on a weekly, sometimes on a daily, just to encourage as many that actually want to have a deeper insight of design. Okay, just click around, you see a red button written subscribe. Click on it and you have subscribed already. As simple as that. Okay, so if I close this now, you can see automatically the software has actually given us column positions. It has generated the columns for us, but not to worry that much. There are places that I may not want my column to be there. For example, I don't want a column here, but I want a column here. I can change the position of that. So I have too many columns here. I can reduce that here too. So you can play around with the software. You must not maintain whatever that is giving you. But the software is actually very easy to actually use. So let's go under view and come to active view. Let's go to floor modeling, column map view rather. On column map view, I think I can remember I don't want this column here. Yes, I'm going to take it off. So let me come back here under my model, insert column property. No. Insert column level. Create column. Sorry, I think let me go back to my view. The level you are actually affects whatever you are doing. So let me go to floor modeling. Okay, I'm on ground floor, which is okay. Come back to view, come to active, column map, come to model, insert column level. It's not inserting. I have to change that. Let me come back here. Sorry. It's not that difficult to play around with, so you need not to be scared. Let's go to first floor, come to view, come to column map. It should work now. Okay, create column. Okay, okay, it's inserting now. But I don't want this place, so I take it off. I'll take this off. Okay, so I'm going to leave every other thing just the way it is. You can play around the software just the way you want it to look alike, your design rather, just the way you want it to appear exactly the way you did it in your general arrangement. Okay, so we have all of this right now. The next thing we'll do, let's come back to modeling. Okay, let's come to switch to first floor, switch to roof floor. You can see automatically it has given us our roof beam to be 300 by 225. So you can as well play around with all of that too as well. Here you can go to your beam properties and all of that. Let's come back to this slab. I just want to play around this. My slab is 150 depth. The height is, I don't have issues with the height. Okay, this is a two-way slab, and then let's come down here. Okay, all of these values I'm going to leave it as it is. It's a two-way slab. Okay, there is something I want to change here. We have I'm not seeing it. Okay, don't worry, I'm going to find it. Okay, oh good, I've seen it. This is what I'm looking for. This is two adjacent edges discontinuous. Click here. This is I have two adjacent edges that are discontinuous, but this slab is a one way, it's a cantilever. From my general arrangement is a cantilever. Okay, so please, here this slab is an interior panel, which is correct, and then it's actually a two-way slab, which is okay. Here it's actually two adjacent edges that are discontinuous, and then it's a two-way slab as well, if I'm not mistaken. How do you get your two-way? You do your ly over lx. So if you do that, it will tell you all of that. I have covered all of that in my previous training, so I believe that will not be a challenge for as many that have been following me. So here this edge is longer than this edge, so I have three edges continuous, one edge discontinuous. So it's going to be three edges discontinuous, one long edge continuous. No, three edges discontinuous, one short edge. No, I have one long edge discontinuous. Okay, so that is the category this falls in. The importance of this is when it's generating your detailed drawing. So your detailed drawing may not come out exactly, more especially when you're dealing with your slab detailing. It will not come out the right way if you do not do this well. Okay, so this is one short edge discontinuous. Okay, so and it's a two-way slab, so it falls on that two-way. This is a one-way slab, and we have one short edge discontinuous. So I have explained this one of my videos. If you have been following me on the edges, discontinuous, continuous, and all of that, I have explained this vividly before. So this is one short edge discontinuous. So let's come back to this panel. This panel is two adjacent edges discontinuous, then is a two-way slab. So this is we have one long edge that is continuous, three edges are discontinuous because this is a staircase area. So we have one long edge is okay, I have three edges that are discontinuous, one long edge is continuous, so this is the right one to choose. So I think I'm done with all of this. So the next thing here is to, okay, I think I have one small panel here which is not this one. I have two adjacent three edges are discontinuous, one long edge is continuous, and then is actually a two-way. Yeah, so so that is that. I think I'm done with this. So the next thing here to do is just to run your design, run your analysis first. You are going to load the so if you come to design here, you load the structure first. Very easy, just click, then you run, then analyze the structure, then you design. It's just a click. Once you click, automatically it gives you your design. So let's come to automatic design. Once I click on automatic design, it will just run all the design for me. So automatic start, I click on start, I click on yes, I click yes, I click yes. Oh my god, this thing. Design structure. Hold on. Automatic design. Sorry, I'm not supposed. Once I do my automatic design, it will load the project, the structure. It will analyze and then it will run the design. Okay. So I don't know. I'm getting some little errors from my system. Okay, but then let me just show you the detailed drawing. I'm sure it has generated our detailed drawings already. So if you come here, if you click on floor general arrangement, you can see it has generated my general arrangement for me already. Now you can see telling me one-way slab, two-way slab, and all of that. From here, panel 1, panel 2, panel 3, panel 4, panel 5. You can see how the detailed drawing from this software is. It's actually very interesting. If I click on roof beam, you can see this is 300 by 225. This is your roof beam detail. Okay, very interesting. Let's go to foundation layout. Okay, you can see how the foundation layout looks like. Very interesting. The software is actually great. Let's go to floor slab. Oh, this is where I love the most about the software. You can see how the detailed drawings is from your slab detailing. It comes exactly very clean, just like the way you do it manually using your AutoCAD to detail your drawings. So it's actually great. I think I love this software a whole lot. I love this software. This software is great. Okay, now you can see the spacing is giving you 8x12, 32 the bar mark, 300 spacing, T2. That is, your T2 means top distribution bar. Okay, we have bottom 2, we have T1, which is your top bar. Okay, so this is bottom, top. I believe you understand all of that. That is how it details for you. The detailing is actually very great. Okay, let's go to beam. Okay, so if I click on beam, just hold. Now you can see how the beam looks like. Another interesting part of the software. Let's go to column. So I'm just going to print out one column. Just select one column. Sorry, I think I didn't select it. I need to check on it. And then, okay, this is already here. Let me just take it up here. Good. Now you can see the column from here. Let's go to pad. Okay, I did not run the pad foundation, the foundation on it. All you need to do that is just to okay, going back to modeling. Okay, let's come back to view, come to floor modeling view. Okay, so come to modeling, create part foundation. So I think my part foundation should be created, has been generated by now. Let's look at the 3D view. Good. Now you can see the part foundation has been created. So if I come back to my detailing now, and then I come to part, I will just click here and I click OK. Mind you, I can select all. Okay, so if I want it to generate all my pad foundation, it can generate all the pad for me. You can do a lot of arrangement on this, which I'm going to be showing you much more later in the software. Now you can see you can import, you can export your report, your all your quantities. You can get all of that, your bar bending schedule, your foundation bar bending schedule, your concrete volume, all can be generated on this software. It generates all of that for you automatically once you run your design. Amazing, right? The software is actually very, very great. I'm feeling very, very, very excited right now using this software. I must tell you the truth. Okay, it saves you a whole lot of time and effort and all of that. Okay, let's export this so that for you to see how your export all drawing pages to DXF exploded. Yes, let me give this a name. I will name this tutorial 1, because it seems like I have other tutorial file named tutorial. Okay, so let me come back here. I'll look for that file, tutorial 1. This is it. I'll click on OK. Now you can see it has generated all my detailed drawings for me. If you have been timing this video, you discover that like it took me a very short while to just get this, right? Regenerate. Okay, I think regenerate is not in this. That command is not in 2007. I think. Oh God, what do I do now? Okay, zoom A. So I have zoom all. Okay, now you can see all the detailed drawings is here. My foundation layout. It's just for you to rearrange them just the way you ready for printing. Just rearrange them, arrange them properly, and then send them for printing. You are done with your design within few minutes. And then all of these bar sizes that is giving you can change all of this. Okay, it's something you can change. All you need to do is just to go to the properties of each of this. If you come to modeling here, you can see we have column properties, we have beam properties. You can change the size of the reinforcement you want the software to actually provide for you. So it will actually give you the size of you just change the size of reinforcement. You can see bar diameter top is 16, bar diameter bottom is 12. So all you need to do is just to change those values, and then it provides your reinforcement exactly just as you have actually specified. So for each of the structural member, you can do same for all of them. Okay, it's just for you to change the size of those reinforcement, and it will give you exactly just as you have specified it. If you love what you're seeing, please like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel. It's actually 100% free. Click on the bell icon so as for you to get a notification whenever I post videos. I post videos like this on a weekly, sometimes encourage as many that actually want to have a deeper insight of design. You want to learn how to design using numerous softwares or whatever softwares of your choice in civil engineering. We have covered structural designs and detailings. We have covered highway designs. We've covered water designs. And then in architecture, we've covered both the 2D and the 3D aspect of architecture. We have covered mechanical and electrical service drawings. All are available on our YouTube channel. Just go down below the description of this video and you'll find all of them available there. Okay, now you can see here, if you come here, you see you have your a little of your schedule here, and then the concrete volume and all of that it has actually provided for you. You can print them and do whatever you actually want to do. And then your report as well, it will generate your report for you. If you want to print out your report, you can as well print out your report. If you come to paper/print, all of your reports can be printed here. All you need to do is just to choose whatever you want to actually print out. You can see export calculation sheets. You can export all of your calculation sheets in text file. If you click that, it's export your calculation sheet and all of that. It generates, the software, you can use it to analyze. You run your design, and then it gives you your detailed drawings and your report as well. It's amazing, right? So make sure you stay safe and make sure that you actually stay